Hi friends, this is Krishna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to give you the stock of the month recommendation. So the stock of the month for January is L&T. So come, let's see why L&T at this time and what are the reasons for my recommendation. So first let's see on the technical chart, so where this stock lies and whether it is the right time to enter or not. So you go to trading view and you select Larsen and Toubro, then you set the chart to day chart, then stochastic RSI, my favorite indicator. So if you want to know about this, please watch my previous videos. So on the stochastic RSI, so currently it is set for 70-30. So on the day chart, L&T has just entered into the buying zone. If you see on the 4 hours chart, so there also it is in the middle. So it is not yet entered in the overbought zone in both day chart as well as the 4 hours chart. So which means it is a right time to enter into this stock. And on the day chart you see the stock has just entered into the buy zone, but the RSI is very bullish. The RSI is above 66.66, that is my upper band limit. So the stock is showing ultra bullishness, and at the same time it has just entered into the buying zone. So this is a very good point to enter into the stock. Okay. So now let's see the support and resistance. So I have set this chart to day chart. So currently the price is here, and let's see from the past, that is past 1 year, in the past history. So wherever we get this support, you see here, so wherever the point touches this line, there is a support. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have multiple support at this point, and this support point lies 1297, and the current market price of L&T is 1297. So it is almost same. So in the coming sessions, I believe and I expect L&T will break out this level, and then it will move on to new highs. So if you see in that aspect, it can go up to 1450, but I doubt whether that can be achieved in this month expiry. So on the conservative side, I take my target as the immediate resistance. So this will be at around 1400 or 1405, 1410, in that range. I really doubt whether 450 can be achieved in this month. Okay. So now technically we have ensured that this is the correct time to enter into this stock, right? Okay. So now let's check the option interest. So I have selected 28 Jan contract. So current market price is 1296. So the very close strike rate is 1300, and that is trading at 48 rupees. The call option is trading at 48 rupees and the put option is trading at 45 rupees. So roughly you can take 90 or 95 rupees. So what does that mean? From the current market price, let's say 1300, this can go by 90 points on either sides. But the probability to go on the lower side is very limited. And I will tell you the reasons why. See, L&T, since last quarter, L&T has been bagging many projects. Even on Jan 1st, 2021, there was an announcement that L&T has won a significant value contract in domestic and also in overseas market. So as per L&T's definition, significant means anything worth above 1000 crore rupees to 2500 crore rupees. And if you see on the Investopedia, you can get all the project related news, whatever the projects or deals which was won by L&T, you can get all those news. So in the last quarter, that is quarter 3, L&T has bagged really many projects worth of thousands of crores. So it is a big push. And another main reason is L&T is the lowest bidder in the tender for bullet train bridges project. So there is a bullet train project which is currently in progress. You might have aware of that. So it is between Mumbai and Ahmedabad. So for which L&T is the lowest bidder for the bridges. So it is also another big push. More importantly, on 21st December, NSDL revised the FPI investment limit from 49% to 74%. So this is one of the great news, because now the foreign portfolio investors, they can invest more on L&T, which means the stock price will go up. And on the business prospects, L&T's construction and infra division is poised for very high growth post pandemic, because in the month of February we will have our union budget. So I believe there could be some allocation for infra projects by the Indian government. So L&T is one of the largest engineering contractors in India. So they are going to be one of the beneficiaries from this investment plan. And last, we have the Q3 results date probably in third week of this month or last week of this month. So mostly this will be on 23rd or 24th of January. If not, if there is a delay, then it could be on the last week of this month. So all these are very big positive news for L&T. So other than this pandemic, there is no negative news or any other prospect, because of which the price could fall. In fact, last week L&T crossed 1300 rupees, but the Monday before last Monday, there was a glitch on the NSE side. So Nifty fell more than 500 points in a single day. So on that particular day, LNT fell from, I think it was trading at around 1320, but from there it fell up to 1228 or 232 in that range. But again it has recovered. Now it is trading at around 1300 rupees. Since we are in a bull market and the Nifty is expected to go another 200% before any major correction. Of course, there will be some intermediate profit bookings, but there would not be any major correction on the cards. So all these factors would drive LNT price to 1400 plus. So next, if you see, the highest open interest for call option is for 1300, followed by 1400. So what we need to see is the highest open interest for the put option is at the current market price, that is 1300. So when a particular stock has the potential to move forward, or on the other words, the move towards the lower side is limited, only at the time the option interest for the current market price put option will be the highest, because the option writers do not expect the price to fall. So currently for put option, the highest open interest is for the current market price. So the upward movement of price is almost guaranteed. So my target price for LNT for Jan expiry is 1405. But if you plan to hold, in case if you buy the stock in cash market, then you can hold it for a target of up to 1450 for short term. Thanks for watching.